हाय स्टुडंट्स, मी वैभवी विनोद चव्हाण आणि सुयश कोचिंग क्लासेसच्या ऑनलाईन लेक्चरमध्ये मी तुमचं स्वागत करते. आपण आज सुरुवात करणार आहोत. आपला जो महत्त्वाचा विषय आहे विज्ञान 1 त्यातील दुसरे प्रकरण पिरियॉडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज क्लासिफिकेशन? तुम्हाला सर्वांना माहिती क्लासिफिकेशन म्हणजे काय? Classification means formation of groups. We have to divide the elements into different groups. So आपल्याला का गरज निर्माण झाली? Why we need a classification and how different scientists classify the elements in different types. This we are going to study in this chapter. So we'll start from what are the different types of matter or different states of matter. Students, there are three states of matter mostly: solid, liquid and gases, and one more state is there that is called as a plasma state. Okay, so you know the examples of solid states means wood, glass, rubber. These are the solid elements which are present in solid states. In liquid states, water, kerosene, petrol, these are present in liquid state. And in gaseous state, hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, chlorine, these are present in gaseous state. Okay, so next up, can you we have next question. Can you recall is what are the different types of elements? Okay, can you tell me? Yes, there are three types of elements: metals, non-metals and metalloids. And in our 8th standard we have studied about all these. So what are the examples of metals? Did you remember? Iron, copper, aluminium. These are the examples of metals. And what are the non-metals? Non-metals are which are not present in metals, means which are not metals are called as non-metals, means wood, rubber. In these are the non-metals. And in elements, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are the examples of non-metal elements. Okay, so what are metalloids? Metalloid means these are the elements which are having properties of metals also and non-metals also. Non-metals have properties of metals also and non-metals also. These are called as metalloids. So what are the examples of metalloids? Aluminium, germanium, antimony. These are the examples of metalloids. Okay, students. What are the smallest particle of matter called? Did you remember? Yes, the smallest particle of matter is called as a atom. And you are aware about the structure of atom. Atom consists of mainly two parts: its nucleus and shell around the nucleus. Okay, so which are the particles present in atom? There are three types of particles present in atom. Did you remember? Electrons, protons and neutrons. So electrons are having negative charge, protons are having positive charge and neutrons are having no charge. So where are they present? Protons and neutrons are present in nucleus and electrons revolve around the nucleus in different shells. Okay, so one more question is there: what is the difference between molecules of elements and compounds? Now you are aware of elements. Elements have same composition of atoms in it: hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the elements. They are having same components, same molecules. Their structure is same. But what are the compounds? Compounds are having, they are formed by two or more molecules and they are having different properties, means compounds are made from elements. So properties of elements are different than properties of compound. Example of compound is water. Water is made up of hydrogen, and oxygen. Water is made from hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is one element, oxygen is one element, and they form a compound H2O, that is called as a water. Okay, so in this chapter we start why we need classification of elements. In previous days there were limited elements were discovered, but as more number of elements were discovered in a course of time, scientists find need to classify the elements according to their properties. So more and more information about their properties and elements were gathered, and to study them well, to study their properties well, for studying them well, scientists need to classify the elements in different groups. Okay, so initially they were classified into three groups: metals, two groups only, metals and non-metals. Later on another group was also discovered, that is called as a metalloid. As we studied just now, the elements were classified into three groups: metals, non-metals and metalloids. But it was not sufficient for them. So later on different properties were discovered, and scientists found the need to classify the elements into different groups. So Dobereiner was the German scientist. In 1817 he suggested the properties of elements are related with their atomic masses. Properties are related with their atomic masses, means properties depends on their atomic masses. As atomic mass goes on changing, the properties of elements also change. So he made a law that is called as a Dobereiner's law of triads or Dobereiner triad. So what do you mean by triad? Triad means group of three elements. Triads means group of three elements. So he made a group of three elements which are having similar properties. Okay, so जैसे कि आप लोग स्कूल में बैठते हो, तीन तीन जन का ग्रुप बना के आप लोग बैठते हो. कैसे बैठते हो? जिनका प्रॉपर्टी सेम है, आपका फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप रहता है, आपका प्रॉपर्टी सेम है, तो द फ्रेंड्स विच आर हैविंग सेम प्रॉपर्टीज दे फॉर्म अ ग्रुप ऑफ थ्री. सो इन सच अ वे he also made a group of three elements each and having similar chemical properties, and he called them as a triad. Triad means group of three elements which are having same properties, and he arranged the three elements in a triad in increasing order of atomic masses. तो उन्होंने उनको कैसे अरेंज किया? अकॉर्डिंग टू इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एटॉमिक मासेस. जैसे कि हम लोग क्लास में कैसे बैठे, अकॉर्डिंग टू इंक्रीजिंग हाइट हम लोग बैठते हैं. उसने कैसे अरेंज किया? ही अरेंज द एलिमेंट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक masses. And what he found? He showed that he found that atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the mean of atomic mass of other two elements. Means बीच वाला जो element है, बीच वाला जो हमने तीन एलिमेंट्स को अरेंज किया है अकॉर्डिंग टू इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द एटॉमिक मासेस. तो इसमें जो बीच वाला एलिमेंट है उसका एटॉमिक मास कैसे रहेगा? मिडल द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ मिडल एलिमेंट वाज अप्रोक्सीमेटली इट इज इक्वल टू द मीन ऑफ एटॉमिक मासेस ऑफ अदर टू एलिमेंट्स. हम लोग अगर पहला वाला एलिमेंट्स लेंगे और थर्ड वाला एलिमेंट्स लेंगे और उनका हम लोग अगर मीन निकालेंगे तो उनका मीन जितना आएगा वो क्या होगा? इट विल बी द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ द मिडल element. Okay, see again what he does. He made group of three elements, okay, having similar chemical properties, and he called them as a triad. Okay, he arranged the three elements in a triad in an increasing order of atomic masses. उसने कैसे अरेंज किया वो एलिमेंट्स को? according to increasing order of their atomic masses. And what he showed that atomic mass of the element, middle element, बीच वाले एलिमेंट्स का जो atomic mass है, मध्य मूलद्रव्याचं जे atomic mass आहे, it was approximately equal to the mean of atomic mass of other two elements. तो वो कैसे है? अदर दो एलिमेंट्स जो है उनका मीन अगर हम लोग निकालेंगे तो it is equal to the atomic mass of middle elements. So we are going to study the triads. So first triad is lithium, sodium and potassium. Second is calcium, strontium and barium. And third one is chlorine, bromine and iodine. So see, in this triad you have to remember these triads. First triad is very important for you: lithium, sodium and potassium. So see, the atomic mass of lithium is how much it is? 6.9. This is the first element. And third element is potassium. Potassium is having atomic mass 39.1. So if we take a mean or we take the average, means what we will do, we will add them and divide by 2. Then the number 23, that is the atomic mass of the middle element. यानी हमने पहला एलिमेंट का एटॉमिक मास लिया और लास्ट वाले एलिमेंट का एटॉमिक मास लिया, दोनों का हमने मीन निकाला, एवरेज निकाला, तो वो कितना आ रहा है? दैट विल बी इक्वल टू द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ द मिडल एलिमेंट. ओके, so this was the first law and this was the first example. Second example is calcium, strontium and barium. So friends, calcium, this is the first element in this triad. It is having atomic mass 40.1 and barium is having atomic mass 137.3. If we take their mean or their average, it comes 88.7. एंड इन दिस ट्रायड द मिडल वाला एलिमेंट क्या है? स्ट्रॉन्शियम. तो उसका एटॉमिक मास कितना है? 87.6. तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली दिस फिगर्स आर इक्वल. थर्ड एग्जांपल इज क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन. सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज क्लोरीन which is having atomic mass 35.5. Last element is iodine which is having atomic mass 126.9. And if we take their average, if we take their mean, then it comes near about 81.2. And the middle element bromine, it is having atomic mass, actually its atomic mass is 79.9. so these two figures are also near about equal, approximately these numbers are equal. so डोबेरानर ने क्या कहा है, क्या बोला है कि अगर हम लोग एलिमेंट्स को अरेंज करते हैं इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ 3, तो atomic mass of middle element was the approximately mean of other two elements. Again we are going to see Dobereiner made a group of 3 elements each having similar chemical properties and he called them as a triad. He arranged the 3 elements in a triad in increasing order of their atomic masses and he showed that atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the mean of atomic masses of other two elements. Okay, so you have to understood this law and you have to write this law. Also you have to learn this law and you have to remember examples also. So one homework is given for you in Can You Tell session. Identify the Dobereiner's triad from the following group of elements having similar chemical properties. So what you will do, you have to find which are from these which are following Dobereiner's rule or which are Dobereiner's triad. So how you will do? You will add atomic mass of magnesium and strontium and then it divide by 2 and you have to see if the number is near about atomic mass of the middle element calcium or not. हमें क्या करना है? पहले एलिमेंट का एटॉमिक मास लेना है, लास्ट वाले एलिमेंट का एटॉमिक मास लेना है, दोनों का हमको मीन लेना है और हमें देखना है कि वो एटॉमिक मास कैल्शियम जो मिडल वाला एलिमेंट्स है वैसे ही आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, सो दिस प्रोसीजर यू विल डू फॉर दिस सल्फर, सीरियम एंड टेलरियम ऑल्सो and for this also. So you have to find out which are the Dobereiner's triad. Okay friends.